Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in today's session we will explore an important concept in probability, the probability of happening at least one independent event. So whether you are a data scientist or AI researcher, understanding these fundamentals is key. So let's get started. So if A and B are independent events, the probability of happening at least one of the events is P A union B. That can also be expressed 1 minus P A union B complement. Now let us use De Morgan's law. So De Morgan's law says that complement of A union B will be equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now because A and B are independent, AC and BC are also independent, and we will get this in result. So we will have PA union B is equal to 1 minus PA complement into PB complement. Finally, for independent events, we will have PA union A2 union A3 and so on, and that can be written 1 minus product from I is equal to 1 to n P Ai's complement. Now let us see, this is equivalent to 1 minus probability of none of the event occurring. So 1 minus I have told, 1 minus none of the event occurring. Now let us see an example. So a person is known to hit the target 4 out of 5 shots. Another person is known to hit the target 2 out of 3 shots. Now find the probability that target is hit when both try. So let us see that here solution. So first person hit the target, so probability of event A would be 4 upon 5. Second person hit the target, so probability of happening event B, that is 2 upon 3. Now the probability of at least one hitting the target is P A union B, and that would be equal to 1 minus P A complement intersection B complement. So here what would be P AC? So just you will subtract from 1, so we will get 1 upon 5, and PBC, so we will subtract 2 upon 3 from 1, so we will get 1 upon 3. So we are getting complement of these two events, and because it will require to plug here. Now here just PA complement intersection B complement, that would be equal to P A complement into PB complement, that will equal to 1 upon 15. So you will substitute into the formula, so you will get P A union B is equal to 1 minus, this is the value of P A complement B complement, so that would be equal to 14 upon 15. So this was an example to understand the concept. Hope you understood, and for more videos and resources you can visit website www.postnetwork.co, YouTube channel, Facebook page, and you can also connect to LinkedIn page. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.